All right, guys, what's going on? Hope you guys are having a great day. Hope you guys are safe. Right now, we're making our way to St. Thomas. We're gonna do a little bit of security there. Okay, guys, so it's September 9th. It's about like 6 p.m. This is my second day here. So far, it's been an experience, I must say. Back here, where we're sleeping, and yeah, it's been a crazy experience, so far. Trying to help people. Unfortunately, telling them the bad news that Home Depot's closed right now for the public, unfortunately. And it kind of sucks because there's a lot of people that need help. There's a lot of people that need merchandise from here, and it really sucks that so far we can't help them. Tonight there's supposed to be Hurricane Jose, Category 4, supposed to be coming here also. So I'll just keep you guys in touch. I'll let you know what happened. I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. And we're in Home Depot by ourselves, guys. It's crazy. Catch you guys back later. Alright, guys, welcome back. Today is September 10th. It's 9:34 p.m. We're back at it again. Today was a pretty crazy day. There's people breaking into stores to get food because they're hungry. They're going through a tough time right here. And a lot of police officers were here. We were up also during the day, just keeping this place safe. Right now, for safety reasons, we came to the roof of the place where I'm at. So we're in the roof right now. I don't know if you guys could tell. This way we got better view of what's going on during the night, and we're more safe here. Hey guys, it's September 11th, 4th day here. the images you just witnessed were right here in St. Thomas after Hurricane Irma has passed. The reason I uploaded this right now is because I wanted to raise awareness of what's going on over here in the Virgin Islands in St. Thomas and back home in Puerto Rico, where Hurricane Maria just hit. There's a lot of people that don't know about this, so this is just a little taste of what happened here. If you have the time, if you know the people, it would be awesome if you could donate again, anything you can, because the magnitude of the hurricane was really big. It was disastrous, and there's people in need here. People sleeping on the streets, people with no light, with no food. They can't keep nothing in their fridge, hot water. I mean, they need help. So if you enjoyed this video, if you like this type of videos, I might do a part 2, but let me know by clicking the like button. Leave a comment down below telling me what you guys think. If you experience something like this, if you live here, if you live in Puerto Rico and you experience something, let us know too. We're here to help and spread the word.